Welcome back to our channel. Today we're taking a close look at the 2025 BMW M4, a car designed to turn heads and stir hearts with its combination of style, power and precision. The M4 isn't just another performance car, it's an experience. From its powerful stance to the unmistakable roar of its engine, every part of the M4 is crafted to thrill. Let's break down everything that makes this car extraordinary. From engine performance and design to the latest technology BMW has added to enhance your driving experience. At the heart of the 2025 M4 lies a twin-turbocharged inline-six engine, a powerhouse that's responsible for delivering the M4's impressive speed and acceleration. The base model is no slouch, boasting 473 horsepower paired with a 6-speed manual transmission for those who crave a hands-on driving experience. This model allows drivers to fully engage with the car, enhancing the sense of connection with the road. For those looking for an even more exhilarating drive, BMW offers the M4 competition model. This upgraded version produces 503 horsepower and comes with an 8-speed automatic transmission, making it not only faster but also smoother for high-speed driving. But BMW didn't stop there. They also offer an all-wheel drive option known as xDrive, which pushes the output even further to an astounding 523 horsepower. This added power gives the M4 better control and stability, especially useful around sharp corners and during high-speed turns. For drivers seeking the ultimate in track performance, BMW's M4 CS model is the peak of what this car can offer. With 543 horsepower and a weight reduction of 45 pounds compared to the standard model, the M4 CS is designed to be faster, more agile, and ideally suited for the racetrack. Whether you're on a professional track or just want to feel that thrill on open roads, the M4 CS delivers an unmatched experience. The M4's performance isn't limited to straight-line speed. BMW has meticulously tuned the suspension system in every version of the M4 to maximize handling and control. While this tuning gives the car a firm ride, it's a necessary trade-off for the car's track-focused capabilities, allowing drivers to feel every detail of the road. This focus on handling and responsiveness makes the M4 a perfect choice for those who want a car that's as exciting to drive as it is to look at. If you've watched this video until this point, we believe you're enjoying this content. A good number of you watch our content but haven't subscribed yet. Our goal is to reach 10,000 subscribers before the end of the year, and with your support, we believe we can get there. So hit the subscribe button, give this video a like, and leave your thoughts in the comments section. Let's get back to the video. Stepping inside the M4, you'll notice that the cabin is both sporty and refined, combining luxury materials with racing-inspired accents that make the interior feel special. Although it shares some design elements with BMW's 4 Series, the M4's cabin stands out thanks to features like M Sport seats, which offer firm support for spirited driving. If you're looking to reduce weight and intensify the performance feel, you can opt for the carbon fiber bucket seats. They not only look fantastic, but also lower the vehicle's weight and center of gravity, enhancing performance even further. For those who love customization, the M4 offers options like carbon fiber interior trim and a redesigned steering wheel with thicker grips for better control during intense driving. BMW has also introduced its innovative iDrive 8.5 infotainment system in the 2025 M4. This advanced system connects you to navigation, entertainment, and other functions through intuitive, easy-to-use commands, adding convenience to every drive. The iDrive 8.5 system reflects BMW's commitment to combining high performance with cutting-edge technology, making the M4 a leader in luxury performance. BMW has also made some exciting updates to the exterior, giving the M4 a bolder and more refined look. New laser diode tail lamps and a set of forged alloy wheels add to the car's striking appearance, while the flat-bottom steering wheel provides a hint of sportiness that's hard to miss. The 2025 M4 is designed to catch eyes, whether it's parked or speeding down the road. In terms of performance, the M4 lives up to the BMW reputation for speed and precision. The base model achieves an impressive 0 to 60 mph time of just 3.8 seconds, making it a quick option even without the competition package. For those who want to go even faster, the M4 competition model can hit 60 miles per hour in a breathtaking 2.8 seconds. This kind of performance is usually reserved for high-end supercars, yet BMW has managed to make it accessible in a luxury coupe. Whether you're accelerating in a straight line or navigating through sharp corners, the M4 offers a driving experience that's hard to forget. One of the unique aspects of the M4 is that it offers a balance between luxury and raw power, allowing drivers to enjoy both comfort and adrenaline-pumping excitement. The high-end design and advanced technology inside the cabin make it comfortable for long drives, while the performance capabilities are ready whenever you want to unleash the car's full potential. The 2025 BMW M4 truly merges elegance with relentless performance, appealing to drivers of all kinds. In conclusion, the 2025 BMW M4 is a car designed for those who seek more than just transportation. It's built for drivers who want to feel every mile, enjoy every turn, and appreciate the finer details of a true performance machine. From the classic manual transmission option that connects you to the car, to the high-powered all-wheel drive model that instills confidence on any road, the M4 has something for everyone. This car is a masterpiece of engineering and style, perfectly suited for anyone looking to bring excitement and luxury into their daily drive. Thank you for joining us on this in-depth look at the 2025 BMW M4. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, leave a comment below about what excites you most about this car, and we'll see you in the next video. Until then, drive safe and stay inspired.